Hello everybody, this is Nora, and in this video today I am excited because I have a collaboration with a long friend, long time YouTuber. Her name is Anna and her current channel name is Nail Knot. I will have her video and channel linked down in the description bar below. But Anna and I, we go a long ways. I learned a lot from Anna when I was first starting. I learned especially doing the gel overlays. I found her videos to be very, very informative, and I find her to be a very good teacher. And we decided to do a design based on a Japanese style because we do have that in common. She's been to Japan, and I remember when I was going to have my very first visit to Tokyo, I went to her and asking her what places to visit that I had to go for nail goodies. And yes, it was awesome. I had a wonderful time. And guys, yes, Tokyo is the nail art capital of the world. So for those of you that might not be familiar with the Japanese style, there are things that they have in common. First, as you will notice that they are a mix and match. They are mix and match designs. So you will not see all 5 nails be the same design or color. Okay, so they're mix and match. There's definitely 3D elements, and there is freehand designs, and they are done with gels. So that's what we bring you here. Thank you, Anna, for doing this collaboration with me. I will also pop a picture of her beautiful design here so you guys can see it. Now I will leave you with the tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoy. final result after I applied gel top coat and cured it. I absolutely love how they turned out, guys. I'm so in love with this design. And remember, guys, to go check out Anna's video as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.